How to fix the extraction operation was not completed error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix the extraction operation was not completed error. Now to fix this problem, the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Then you want to search 7-zip. Now click on the download option for here. You have the option of 64-bit or 62-bit. Go ahead and select that according to your PC. If you do not know it, then you can simply search system information and find the detail over here. Once you have found it, select the file, then simply click on the download option. Now wait for the file to be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, locate the folder. Now right click and select run as administrator. Then follow the on-screen prompts to install this. Once it has been installed, you want to locate the problematic file. Then right click on that. Now click on the 7-zip option and you can easily extract it from here without getting any error. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.